Hey and welcome back. This is Adrian Britt, marketing coach, author and guest speaker. In this section we're going to learn about copywriting and integrated marketing tactics that's going to increase the promotion of your content and increase your sales. By the end of this lesson you'll understand the importance of good copywriting, and you'll know how to create, test and implement killer copywriting that sells. So, what is copywriting? I would argue that the art of copywriting for publishing is to anticipate the needs of your readers and telling them how and why your publication will meet their needs better than any other publication they're currently looking at. Okay? Would you agree with that? Well, I would say that without good copywriting, your book would be a best kept secret. With good copywriting, your books can become a bestseller. Would you like your publications to be secrets, or would you like it to be bestsellers? So, good copywriting plus good content will result in expectations being met and subsequently in great reviews. But if we've got good, awesome copywriting followed by poor content, then the expectations of the readers are not met and we're going to attract poor reviews. So yes, copywriting should sell, but the content should deliver and meet the expectations of the reader. Okay, now let's have a look at how to create, test and implement some killer copy. Firstly, the requirements of good copywriting are as follows. Number one, you should draw the reader's attention. Then you should keep the reader's attention. And then you should make accurate promises about the content that will be delivered. Okay? And then you should lead or guide the reader to the next step. Now, to create good copy, let's use this process. First of all, we're going to write down the most interesting title that will appeal to the reader. And imagine that there are 10 other titles competing with your book in the search results. So then ask yourself, what is unique about my title? Why would the users want to buy my title instead of somebody else's? Perhaps you can think of 2 or 3 potential titles that could sell. Okay, so now the next step, we're always going to do A/B testing for optimal results. So we're going to test our copy. If we have an email list of 2,000 people, then we send one email to 1,000 people with version A of the title, another email to 1,000 people with version B, and then we see which title had the most interest. Okay, and that would be your winning title. Now, good copywriting will apply to the title, to the subtitle, and even the paragraphs of our content. Why? Because the title should encourage the reader to proceed to the subtitle, and yes, then the subtitle should encourage the reader to proceed to the main body and the subsequent paragraphs. If there's continuity, truth and excitement in your copywriting, will guide the reader through all the parts of our content, which will automatically manage the buying process and the life cycle of our publication. Great. So guys, I would like to invite you now to test your copy. Test it here on the forum, on the course. Give us 5 versions of your titles. Ask people on the course which title sounds the best, or go ahead and use your Facebook pages and brainstorm with this with your friends and get some real feedback from them.